Myself, Dr. Ansari Tahra Tasneem Haji Muhammad, Economics Department of Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Today, my topic is what are the causes of growth of service sector in India? Causes of growth of service sector in India, let us introduce. India's service sector is the 12th largest sector in the world by gross domestic product and fourth largest sector in purchasing power. This sector provides employment to 27% of India's population recently. What are the causes behind this? Number one is economic effect. Because of new economic policy of liberalization, they had the positive impact on Indian households. Their income and expenditure has been pushed up, increasing demand for goods and services. Second is changing role of women. In this changing role of women, an increase in the number of working women has led to the creation of market for a number of products and services, mainly the products of cosmetics and different clothes are increases because of the women working services. Third is changing the culture. The traditionally joint family system is broken and the single family way of living. There has been an increased demand for number of different services like education, health care and entertainment, tourism, etc. etc. Fourth cause is growth of information technology sector. In India, growth of this information technology and business outsourcing are fastest growing sector, giving more and more income. Fifth cause is development of markets. Because of the globalization, liberalization in both rural areas as well as in urban areas, they have widespread retailing as well as wholesaling. In fact, retailing has even extended to remote rural areas also. Number six is the healthcare consciousness. The present generation are becoming more diet and more health consciousness as before. They are interested in gymnasium and fitness clubs to join or to maintain their physical as well as mental health. Number seven is the economic liberalization. Liberalization facilitated the entry of multinational companies. They are leading to increase the demand for the productivity. This has increased the service sector. Number 8 is migration from rural to urban areas. With rapid industrialization and other development in the era of globalization. There is large scale migration from rural to urban areas in search of job, while the education, what it may be the reason, this changes the lifestyle and increase demand for different services. While export potential, the services like insurance, transport, communication, company data services, education, software services, tourism were offered to increase the export potential. Then, next is the service tax. The coverage of service tax has been increases. This tax covers hotels and restaurants, transport, storage, commercialization, financial services, real estate, business services, and social services. These are the main causes for increase in the service sector in India. Thank, thank you. Thanks.